Looking back, I was 8 years old, out on the dock with my old zip code, catching them fish till mama called me home. It's those fond memories from the past, like the sun going down on my last cast. In my mind, you know right where I wanna go, 'cause fishing, it's in my soul. It was passed down to me from the days of old. You'll find us on the water if there was a way. It's been said my papa, he wrote the book on catching big reds and 20-pound snook. I wish I knew all the things he knew today, for he's the reason why we are this way. And he put fishing in our souls to stay. There's something about the water that'll give you peace, all by yourself or with your family. Live salt strong and wet a line today. There's nothing better on a Saturday night than an ice cold beer and a fish fry, and talking about the big ones that got away. Fishing, it's in my soul. It was passed down to me from